Good day, my name is Charl. I'm from Juice Technologies, Toshiba dealer. I'd like to introduce you today to the new Toshiba machine that's on the market. It's called the E-Studio 2051C. C is for color, for those of you who didn't know. Alright, this machine is aimed at the small to medium enterprise. Offers them high quality prints at very affordable rates. It's a very compact machine, weighs only 56 kilograms. Very quiet. In fact, one of the most quiet machines you'll find in the market, I found. It hardly works, so your boss won't even know that you're actually there working. Eco-friendly as well. Very low carbon footprint, which is very nice for those of us who like to have trees. Prints in A5 to A3 up to 209 grams, which is very good for a machine in this class. Features LED print head technology, which basically means you get sharp quality prints with less components and less goodies inside that can go wrong and can break. So operational wise, this machine will be very affordable. Also, because of the LED technology, you get a larger color gamut. Now, if you want to get technical, that means you get a wider spectrum of colors on this machine. So your print will be more true color to what you see on your PC or laptop screen to what actually comes out of the machine, which is great. Usually that kind of thing you only get on your higher spec machines. Okay, so for an entry-level machine, very nice. Okay, it also features a new toner that fuses at lower temperatures. So once again, that attributes to the eco-friendliness. So your power consumption and everything on this machine is much less. Also has an 8 gig solid drive hard drive, which basically means you've got all the latest security features. Your prints and everything are quite secure. Not to get too technical with that, but you don't have to worry about anything getting lost or information leaking out of this machine. Okay. Start at the top. This is your document feeder. It comes with an optional auto reverse document feeder that can take up to 100 pages. Also has a nice light on here that tells you what the machine is doing. So if you're copying and printing, it will show you what the status is. If it's flashing blue, your print job's going through fine. If it's a solid blue, it means there's nothing happening. And if it's an orange light, it means you've jammed it or you've done something wrong. Very easy. Okay? That's your plate and cover where you normally put your prints. One last feature that many people don't know about, if you want to copy from a thicker page or a thicker book, you can actually lift this at the back, bring that down, put that down, okay. Just a handy little thing to know if you want to copy your Bible, for instance. It's got a large output area here, so it's very friendly, user-friendly. You can get your prints and everything out there. You don't have to dig for it. So obviously your jobs are separated and everything will go in here. That's very nice. Then in the front here, as we open and change your toners, it's got the instructions there. Very nice, very easy. No hassles around here. Okay. Then you've got your cassette here. This is where your paper goes. Alright. Can take up to A3, A5 like I said. One nice feature about this, which you won't find on other machines, it's got a lock. So once it's closed, it's closed. So you won't have to worry about paper not lining up and jamming. That's something that I like very much about this machine. Alright. Then you come to the display screen over here, which is fully tiltable. Nice 7-inch digital screen. Okay, just switch that on. Warm-up time, like you see here, very quick, 35 seconds from startup, and then your first print will pop out of this machine. If it's colored, 10 seconds, your black and white will come out in 8 seconds, which is very quick for a machine in this class. Alright, just to name a couple of features, obviously this is where you put your paper in if you want to make copies. What this machine does, just to show you a few things, if you have large documents that you want to print and you haven't numbered them, for instance, this machine can actually do it for you. Alright, so we'll just select the paper size, we'll go to finishing, okay. All your instructions are pretty simple. Whatever you want to do, you can just select what you want to do on the machine there. Now if you want to go closer, alright, can you see there? Okay, you can select two-sided, to one-sided duplex. I'm not sure it's too clear there, but you have the option there. With finishing, you can sort, group and rotate sort. Okay, you don't need on most models you don't need you need two trays to do rotate sort. With this one you use one tray which comes standard, and you can use the bypass tray, so it will do your rotate sort for you. Alright, you can select the paper quality and what you want to print, printed image or photo, map or text, which is very nice. If you want to save, you can also choose if you want full color, black or auto color, select. You can lighten and darken there. You can make a proof copy, which is very nice. If you've got a large print job and you don't want to waste paper or toner, you can just print one or two and it will show you what it looks like. Okay, I've got a few pages in the document feeder. We're going to try and number them. Okay, let's go into... Okay, print it from one-sided into two-sided. We want text, photo. Finishing, we won't worry about. Edit. Now this is where you can go and do all sorts of nice things, where you can shift images, for instance. If you're printing a magazine, you can erase the center. You can turn it from a 2-page into a 4-in-1. You can do magazine sort, and what we wanted to do was page number. So what we'll do, we'll put it at the bottom center. Okay. And basically when you've selected all your options that you want on the page, you press the green button like on any machine and that should do it. Okay. The paper going again, the two-sided print. If we can focus on here, you can see that the pages are now numbered at the bottom, and it's now turned four documents into 2 pages with all the information that you require. Okay, so we won't go into too much once you've got the machine, and we can do some proper training. We'll show you all the nice benefits and features. That's just some of it. Also, you get a flex optional on this machine. Alright, and then there's the bypass tray. That's the last thing I'm going to show you. We did mention it before. It takes 100 pages and also up to 209 grams. Alright, and that's it.